Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll start right now by keeping the phone flat and your hands clean. This reduces new dust. Gently lift one corner of the protector with a fingernail or thin floss until you see a 1-2 mm gap. Once you have that gap, stop, don't peel quickly. You're creating an access point so you can reseat the film while controlling dust. If the protector resists, wiggle slightly side to side to loosen the adhesive slowly. Now that the edge is lifted, blow short puffs of compressed air or dab a dust sticker under the film to capture particles you can see. This prevents trapped specks. Once clear, align the protector to camera and edge references, then lower it smoothly from one side so air can escape instead of being trapped. Use a squeegee or a credit card wrapped in microfiber to press the film down, pushing toward the open edge with steady, overlapping strokes to expel bubbles. Finish by smoothing every area from the center outward, applying firm and steady pressure so adhesive bonds uniformly. This flattens remaining microbubbles. If a bubble won't budge, briefly warm the area with a hairdryer on low from several inches away to soften the adhesive, then press again. If a speck remains, lift only to the dust spot, remove it with a sticker, and reseat the corner. Make sure to realign precisely so you don't introduce new bubbles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.